Today our adventure starts at the Sugarlands Visitors Center, just outside of Gatlinburg, going into the Great Smoky Mountains. We're going to take a hike up to Cataract Falls and see if we can find some water. We're looking forward to it. The weather looks a little sketchy, but hey, we've got our raincoats and we're ready to go. So let's hit the trail. Shady, relaxing. One thing I like about this trail, nature trail, it's got a lot of these plaques. Tells about some of the different trees. Gives you a lot of different information of what you're going to see. Gatlinburg Trail. This trail goes back, of course, to Gatlinburg, but some of the creek area that's really popular just outside of the main downtown. But today we're going to Fighting Creek Nature Trail and Cataract Falls, which is going to be in this direction. This sign over here gives you a little bit of information about the falls. Warning, yellow jackets are active in this area. Good information. No pets. It's at least 10 degrees cooler here. It was like 85 or 6 degrees when we come through Gatlinburg. So hey, this is a win-win, win-win. Being a nature trail, you're always going to get information about the trees, beautiful canopy that's around us. side tour she wants to take here. Up on the bridge that crosses the creek here, and this unique tree, it's a poplar tree, always the topic of a good photo. Very unique how it's grown together, branched off. They're quite large, as most of the trees are here. But a landmark that can guarantee you that you're on the right trail. So let's head on across the bridge. So going on up the nature trail. Botanist, so a lot of these names are new to me. Pretty wild. Here we go. Headed on up the trail here, and interestingly enough, this trail sort of parallels the road. Just lately, this when I just finished coming up a very steep part of the trail, and we run across this bench, And right now it's a very welcome sight.
A sketchy footbridge. That's so cool.
Miss Leila don't trust the bridge. No problem with the bridge. Well, Miss Leila and I are still hiking up through here. And I got a glimmer of something out in the woods. And then it dawned on me. We have took the wrong trail. But since we're here, hey, we're gonna make the best of it. We was gonna come here anyway later, but we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys this awesome cabin. It looks like they're doing some preservation work to it, but this is a little longer hike than what we had anticipated for today, but hey, it only makes you healthier, right? We made it to the cabin, Miss Leila.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Awesome.
Not Cataract Falls, right?
No.
Okay. Let's go up here and take a peek. This cabin here is the real deal. Wow. Look at the size of those logs. Out of all the logs cabins that I've seen in the park, this one has the widest logs on it. Really neat. Heads on out to Laurel Falls. We're certainly not going that far. And they are doing some preservation work on it. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. All right. Very rustic. Super cool. Fireplace that we've seen in others. Really nice. Yeah. Well, Miss Leila, are we lost?
Yes.
No.
This does not look like Cataract Falls.
I got to talking and I took the wrong turn at the bridge, so it's my fault. But this cabin is on the program, so we're not wasting our time. Guys, I'll have to get you the name of this cabin. If I don't get it in the video, I'll put it in the description below. It's a fairly elevated hike. I knew that we was on the wrong trail a while back, but hey, I knew where we was going, and that's the most important part when you're out hiking in the Great Smoky Mountains. But awesome cabin. We're really glad we made that wrong turn. But anyway, we're going to head back down the mountain towards Sugarlands and try to find Cataract Falls. I better check on Miss Leila here. Where's she coming? Okay, Miss Leila, here we go. Well, Miss Leila, what do you think about these benches?
They're lifesavers.
Are you glad they're here?
Yes.
Ooh, we've already gone over a mile on this trail. This was supposed to be a half-a-mile hike. What are you gonna do, right? The Great Smokies, always the adventure.
Couple with steep inclines.
Could we make that very steep?
Yes.
This has been a gorgeous hike. The thing about hiking is when you think you went the wrong way, God shows you haven't. It reveals some beautiful stuff. We're grateful for our time that we get to spend out here in the mountains. Talk to God a little bit, admire His beauty, and be grateful for the health to get out and enjoy it. It don't get any better than that, folks. Miss Leila's checking the delineators out here. See just how far off the beaten path we are. I keep telling her, nope, we're right on the trail. Yes, right on the trail. These ferns are pretty. I always like these mountain plants. Miss Leila's back at the bridge. Here I come. We just come off of the nature trail. So we're going to try. It's the Sugarlands Visitors Center. Hello. Miss Leila is going to head back to the car. There's a snack, something cold to drink. Go back into town and see if we can find us something to eat. Been a good hike up in the mountains. Well, Miss Leila, we're back at Sugarlands. Did you enjoy the hike?
Yes, we survived.
It was a great hike. We went up to the long way, the loop, to the cabin up on the mountain. Thanks for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed the video and some of the sights we had to show you, and we're looking forward to coming back. We're going to go some other places too, so watch for them videos. We'll put some links in the description below, and until next time.
Bye.
Miss Leila's found her a smiley face out here in the wilderness. She's not sure if it's laughing at her for taking the wrong trailhead up there, or it's congratulating her for actually making it back. But anyway, how cool is that? A happy stump. A happy stump is a good stump, right, Miss Leila?
That's right.